Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can translate Jainam Software in your local language. So it is pretty simple. So when you log into Jainam Software in web browser, especially in Google Chrome browser, then what you have to do is simply right click on the page and translate. You'll get a translate option. I have already translated it to Hindi, so that's why I'm saying translate to Hindi. So I click here and then it will start translating to Hindi. But I can do select option and change language. So I want to translate from English, keep original text as English and then translate to your local language. For example, like let's say Tamil. So you can select Tamil here and then you say translate. You can also select always translate, but for time being I am just selecting translate. So what it will do, it will translate the software in Tamil, so that uh, if you are very comfortable in Tamil, you can translate to Tamil and understand this software very well. All right. I'm not very much familiar with Tamil, so now I'll face little challenges to understand the options, but I'm like aware of the software features, so I can just very well explain you like where uh, what is written exactly. So for example, here I get like customer and then create customer here. So I again it will automatically translate the options. Then this is the customer group. I select the customer group here. This is the number generated, that is the customer number. First name I can just write like Jitendra and then click save. Okay. So it will tell me that this record is saved successfully. Then I get option here loan creation, right? So I click loan here. Then what will happen? I will enter amount 10,000 and to select the product name, let's say 100 days, and then click save here. So this loan number 4 is created. I search loan number 4 here. So once I search the loan number here, okay, then I'm getting this option. What you can do is you can also, there is option to always translate here. So it will always keep translating. I did not select that option, that always translate. That's why I'm seeing this option, but you can translate that. Okay, now everything. So you are very comfortable now because most of the options showing here, they are basically showing in your local language. All right. So that's how it will work here. Now it is not only Tamil. So for example, in I can translate it to Indonesia language also. So for example, I can go here and translate to Indonesia, or I can translate to Kannada or Gujarati, Hindi, or any language, whichever you think it's preferable for you. All right. So thank you for watching this video. You can also subscribe Jainam Software so that new features, new videos will be automatically sent to you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.